I know what you're thinking. You're looking at me and you're saying, average guy, normal human being, nothing out of the ordinary. Well, that's what I thought too for a lot of years. And boy, was I wrong. I guess I always knew the truth about myself underneath. It's like sometimes I'd look in the mirror in the morning and I'd get this weird feeling that what I was looking at wasn't really what I was looking at. Or else I'd be standing in a group of people at a party and I'd get this idea that I was standing in a huge empty space and there wasn't anybody around me for miles. Episodes of vastation, if you know that beautiful word. And then one day I had I don't know what you call it, a mystical experience. I was walking down on Lex over in the 30s when I go by this office supply shop, just a crummy little place. When I turn and I look and I see an Olivetta Model 250 portable electric typewriter. Are you familiar with that particular model? Have you ever seen an old Olivetta 250? Well, let me tell you, it's sublime. The lines, the shape, the slant of the keyboard, it's all there. It's a thing of beauty. Well, anyways, I'm standing there looking at this thing and it's like I recognize it from someplace. It's like I'm looking at family somehow. Like I'm seeing some long-lost older brother for the first time. And suddenly I realize that's me right there. That thing in the window is exactly what I feel like on the inside. Same lines, same shape, same aesthetic. And I realized I am a typewriter. No, really, a typewriter. All those years I thought I was a human being. On the inside, I was really an Olivetta Model 250 portable electric typewriter with automatic correctability. And you know what? I can't even type. Well, needless to say, this revelation came as quite a shock. But all of a sudden, it is clear to me how come I always got off on big words like vastation or subcutaneous. Big words are what a typewriter's all about, right? Problem is, it can be a difficult thing being a typewriter in a world of human beings. And now here I am being replaced every day by word processors. Just last week I heard some guy on the news say that in 10 years typewriters will be totally obsolete. Here it is, I finally figure out what I really am, and suddenly I'm half an antique already. Plus, there's my love life, which is problematical to say the least. The difficulties in a typewriter, finding a suitable partner in this town, to say the least. At least now I know how come I've always loved, well, not just sex. Sex is anywhere, but touch. Touching and being touched. And being touched is what a typewriter is all about. It's part of the nature and purpose of typewriters. That's how we express ourselves and the human person along with us. Hands on the typewriter, the right touch, fire away. Women's hands, they're practically the first thing I notice. Nice set of shapely fingers, good manicure, no hangnails, soft skin. I don't have a finger fetish or anything. It's just you've got a nice pair of pretty hands yourself there. That's what I noticed. That's how come I stepped over here to talk to you. I know that sounds pretty loony, but somehow I've never told anybody this before, and I just felt I could trust you, and I don't understand. I beg your pardon? Well, sure, you're a girl. You're a beautiful girl. You're a... What? You're really a piece of paper? 10-pound bond? Ivory tinted? Pure cotton fiber? Oh, glad to meet you.